I was haunted by my past. But now I have a mission. I will do what needs to be done. Because in '94, I was saying goodbye and pulling down the shutters on an experience of 7 years, and felt that I had said and done everything that I wanted to do, and that there was nothing more to say. Well, the team that I found myself talking to proved me wrong, and they introduced elements that I had never anticipated would be part of Star Trek. And they've done so successfully, and that it was that lured me on board. She's the end of all. She's the destroyer.
As a child, flipping through the channels, you catch reruns, and so I knew little bits about it. But when I got the job, I went back and started hopping around Next Generation, kind of reading the descriptions of all the episodes, trying to see what would help me most with my character and with our storylines. But I got to a certain point, I think it was season 4, and I think it was the episode where Picard gets assimilated by the Borg, and I just got hooked. And I just started watching the whole way through, and I've become a much bigger fan than I ever knew I would be.
What have you gotten yourself into, Jean-Luc?
Hope. It resonates positive feelings about the future, that things can be better. And
a sentiment that we need right now, more than ever.
Yeah, I mean, you speak truth. It's we have to be positive about the difficult situations that we find ourselves in. I'm speaking personally as an Englishman, and yet as someone with deep attachment to the United States. I'm just a resident alien. That's all. Engage.